it was really good because they showed up on time. They kept me informed of the process all along the way, and they fixed what needed to be fixed, and I thought they did a really good job. The installation crew was very efficient, and they were pleasant, nice to my dog, and I thought they did real good. I love my new windows. It's nice and quiet in here. They're easy to clean. They just kind of tilt around like I need them to, and I'm very, very happy with them. I like the quietness of it. I think the quietness is what I noticed most. And yes, my bill went down, but you know, I'm a single person living here, so it's not maybe what other people get. But I was happy that the bill went down, and I really appreciate the quiet, though. I like that.